So next part में we are going to study triangles with respect to coordinate geometry. And the triangle has three vertices A, B, and C. The coordinates have been given to you as x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. There are three main things we need to discuss about the triangle. First is we need to observe that the vertex जो A है, A के opposite में जो side आएगा BC, उसका length क्या होगा? Small है. It's a regular convention which we'll be using आगे also in case of triangle जो हम पढ़ेंगे geometry in the next module. Similarly, B के opposite में जो भी side है वो क्या होगा? B होगा. And angle C के opposite में जो भी side होगा वो क्या होगा? Small c होगा. Okay, remember this, guys. So now we are first interested to find out the centroid, the coordinates of the centroid. The coordinates of the centroid are nothing but the arithmetic means of the individual coordinates. For example, अगर मैंने हर एक point का x coordinate लिया, x1, x2, x3, उनका arithmetic mean क्या होगा? x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. And same goes on with the y coordinate. Okay, if the y coordinates are y1, y2, y3, the y coordinate of the centroid will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. It's as simple as that. Okay. The next thing we are going to study is about the in-center, the coordinates of the in-center. Okay, इसका ready-made formula है हमारे पास. Okay, it is ax1 means जो ये opposite वाला side है multiplied with the opposite vertex का x coordinate. So a multiplied by x1, b multiplied by x2, right? And this c will be multiplied by x3. Okay, divided by a plus b plus c. Same thing happens for the y coordinate also. A y1, b y2 plus c y3 divided by a plus b plus c. Okay, now for the area, okay, area of this triangle we have a formula, okay, and that is mod of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, ये sequence याद रखना. Okay, to calculate the area, right? Question is, given G is a centroid of triangle ABC, find the coordinates of point A. Okay, very simple, guys. We know that the coordinates of the centroid are the arithmetic means. So take the arithmetic mean of all the three coordinates, x plus 7 plus 1 divided by 3. This should be the x coordinate for the centroid, isn't it? And for the y coordinates, y minus 1 plus 2 divided by 3 equals to 2, right? So this is nothing but x plus 8 equals to 6. X plus 8 equal to 6, matlab the x coordinate of the point is minus 2. Okay, and this will be y minus 1 plus 2, which is y plus 1 equal to 6. Y plus 1 equal to 6 implies y is equal to plus 5. Okay, so the required coordinates of the point A will be minus 2 comma 5. See, it's as simple as that, right? Find the area of the triangle with vertices having coordinates a comma a plus 1 comma a plus 1 and a plus 2 comma a. Okay, so you can use the formula. I'm giving you a few seconds. You can just apply the formula and solve the question. Please try it out. You'll get the answer, of course. Okay, so we just plug in the values of x1 y1 as a comma a, x2 y2 as a plus 1 and a plus 1, and x3 y3 as a plus 2 comma a. Okay, right? And just plugging in the values, solving it, you'll get the area as 100 square. As simple as that. Okay, there's also one more way to solve these questions, guys. Okay, now see, what you can do is, okay, you can just open up this bracket for the formula. Okay, so what will you get? You will observe that you are doing x1 y2, x2 y3, x3 y1, okay, and उसमें से you are subtracting x1 y3 minus x2 y1 minus x3 y2. Okay, तो अब देखो guys, अगर हम ध्यान से observe करें, if I write the points one below the other, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and copy this first point once again, x1 y1. Okay, so guys, पहला वाला term क्या है? x1 y2. What is x1 y2? Multiply these two terms. What is the next term? x2 y3. Multiply these two terms. And last term is x3 y1. Multiply these two terms, right? Similarly, guys, what is the next term? x1 y3. x1 y3 is nothing but product of these two terms, the blue lines. Next term is x2 y1, product of these two terms, and next term is x3 y2, product of these two terms, right? So you have to basically take cross, you have to take the products in cross and take the difference, और उसको हम क्या करेंगे? Half से multiply कर देंगे, right? Okay, let's check whether just gives the answer. Okay, so I'll write the coordinates a comma a plus 1 and a plus 1. A plus 2 and a. It will be a very lengthy process, but yeah, but it will help. A into a plus 1 will be a square plus a. Purpose a into a plus 1 will be a square plus a. So ये हो गया 2a square plus 2a, right? Okay, इंटरनल प्रोडक्ट क्या हो गया, a square plus 2a वापस. So it's basically 3a square plus लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पे, a square plus 2a square is 3a square plus 2a and 2a is 4a, right? So this thing is nothing but 3a square plus 4a, right? Let's write it properly. 3a square plus 4a. Okay. Okay, let's find out product of these two terms. A into a plus 1 is again a square plus a. A plus 1 into a plus 2 is a square plus 3a plus 2. And addition of these two terms is nothing but a square. Right? So a square कितने बार आएगा guys? 3 बार. And 3a plus a is 4a. So we have 3a square plus 4a plus 2. इनका डिफरेंस लेके हमें बेसिकली क्या करना है, हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है, राइट? 3a square गया, 4a गया, ओके, 2 और उसका हाफ कितना होगा, नथिंग बट a unit, right? Okay, this is the second way to solve the same question. And guys, you can use this exact same formula for finding out the area of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, उसमें क्या होगा, 4 coordinates होंगे. So instead of repeating this, okay, यहाँ पे एक चौथा coordinate क्या आ जाएगा लास्ट में चौथा coordinate आ जाएगा x4 y4. Okay, all right. Now there is also one more easier way. Okay, the easiest way actually to solve the same question. Let's look at it. So what we'll do is we'll plot these points. देखो, if you look at guys a and a. Okay, suppose मैंने ये point plot किया है a comma a plus 2 comma a. Okay, will have the same y coordinate, right? तो इन दोनों points का vertical level exactly same रहने वाला है. Okay, only thing is कि ये वाला point जो होगा a plus 2 comma a, it will move towards the right, है ना? And सबसे ऊपर कौन सा point होगा, a plus 1 and a plus 1 in between them, right? Okay, so if you construct a triangle like this, okay, you can observe that this is the base being formed. Base में देखो vertically there is no difference. Okay, सिर्फ horizontal difference है ना, a plus 2 and a. The difference of a plus 2 and a is how much? 2 units. This is the base of the triangle, right? And if you compare this as the height, right? This is the height of the triangle. This height is nothing but the difference of the y coordinates. ये y coordinate क्या है? A plus 1. ये y coordinate क्या है? A. So difference of these is 1. Base is 2 and height is 1. The area is half into base into height, 1 unit square. Simplest way to solve the question.